Revolutionizing prefab housing with automated manufacturing, Frame&InFill's precision and customization at scale. Introduction. In the dynamic landscape of prefab housing, Frame&InFill stands as the vanguard, revolutionizing the industry with a game-changing approach to construction. Our innovative manufacturing process, akin to Tesla's Gigafactories, harnesses the power of direct digital manufacturing to redefine the way sustainable homes are designed and built. This paper delves into Frame&InFill's automated manufacturing process, demonstrating how direct digital manufacturing and our Gigafactory concept have empowered us to achieve unparalleled levels of precision, speed, and sustainability in the prefab housing realm. Direct digital manufacturing and AI-driven design. At the heart of Frame&InFill's revolutionary process lies direct digital manufacturing, accompanied by AI-driven computer-aided design, CAD. By interacting with our user-friendly online platform, customers can customize their dream homes seamlessly. The AI system optimizes their choices, ensuring the design remains structurally sound and energy efficient. The finalized design is transformed into a BIM model, providing a detailed digital twin for each unit. Streamlined fabrication and prefabrication. Direct digital manufacturing streamlines the creation of fabrication plans and cut sheets. The BIM model's detailed breakdown enables efficient material usage and minimizes waste. Automated cutting machines receive precise instructions, optimizing material cuts and minimizing remnants. Prefabricated components, including wiring and plumbing, are seamlessly integrated into the BIM model. This approach reduces construction time while maintaining the highest standards of safety and functionality. The Gigafactory concept. Frame&InFill's Gigafactory takes inspiration from Tesla's successful model. Our factory employs the latest robotic technologies to handle the bulk of the manufacturing process. Large-scale pick-and-place robots expertly install systems, ensuring rapid production without compromising precision. The Gigafactory's automation minimizes the risk of human error, expediting construction timelines and enabling us to produce upwards of 100,000 units annually. Customization at scale. Inherent in Frame&InFill's automated manufacturing process is the ability to achieve mass customization. The Gigafactory effortlessly accommodates customization requests without slowing down the production line. Customers can personalize their units, whether it be interior layouts or finishes, while still benefiting from the rapid assembly. Sustainable and environmentally friendly. Direct digital manufacturing and the Gigafactory concept synergize with Frame&InFill's unwavering commitment to sustainability. Advanced material efficiency and reduced waste generation align with our eco-conscious approach. Our prefab homes are designed to optimize energy consumption and reduce their carbon footprint, making them an eco-friendly choice for environmentally fragile properties such as beachfront locations. AI-driven customer experience. Beyond manufacturing, AI plays a pivotal role in the customer experience. Frame&InFill's AI-driven platform empowers customers to design their floor plans and room layouts with ease. As the design evolves, AI simultaneously updates mechanical systems and wiring/plumbing layouts, optimizing material use and minimizing waste common in traditional construction methods. Conclusion. Frame&InFill's innovative manufacturing process is ushering in a new era of prefab housing. By embracing direct digital manufacturing, automated assembly lines, and the Gigafactory concept, we exemplify the Tesla of prefab home manufacturing. The fusion of precision, customization, and sustainability makes Frame&InFill a trailblazer in the industry, providing customers with environmentally friendly, customizable homes, and expediting construction timelines. As the world turns towards a more sustainable future, Frame&InFill is leading the charge, shaping a world where prefab housing sets new standards of precision and efficiency.